Mike's Farm in Tiny Back Swamp is known for its barn day dinners of fried chicken, ham, mac and cheese, and all the fixings. But during autumn, it's even more famous for indoor dinner shows, holiday lighting, including hay rides, and a 7-day schedule. But when Mike and Teresa Lowe left jobs to run his family's old farm full-time, well...
we've been in business for 33 years, and it's been a long, hard road. Just a lot of hard work and determination. And I think a lot of people maybe look at agritourism as we're going to jump into it and it's going to be easy and we're just going to grow. But it doesn't always work that way.
I know you like to play with tractors. So how much of this really has to do with just liking to have fun on a farm and all this neat stuff?
We know that's a lot of it. Because everybody loves to drive a tractor, like you say. When you're a kid, you like to drive one. I started actually working on the farm, driving one about 5-year-old. That's been a few years ago. But every little kid comes up here too. I mean, they like these big wheels. They like the tractors. And that's, I always say when somebody comes up and says, "Boy, he loves tractors," that's a good kid. That's a good boy.
Still in love with tractors. We won't give away any surprises about the hay rides Mike stages into your holiday imagination, we'll call it. But look, any approaching spectacle always makes me hungry. Oh, the words to describe fried chicken. It just is. It's us. It's our experience, and it is awesome. Me, I like the light meat, but I also love the dark meat just because it has a little bit more fat in it. It just sort of tickles my fancy, so to speak. Now you can consider this a sidebar or even a whole chapter on macaroni and cheese. This is creamy in all its glory. Hope you can trust me saying that. Pork takes marinades exceptionally well, but you know, I love that roots kind of cooking where you just kind of see that piece of meat that's right there below the backbone kind of fall apart. Wow, incredible. You tend to think of corn as being a hardy grain, but that's just so delicate. Chocolate delight with pecans on top, cheesecake with cherries, or the locally legendary banana pudding. I had to go with the area favorite. Now don't think I can't circle back around when no one's looking, but if you're looking, oh yeah. Hey, this is exactly like getting invited to dinner by somebody you really admire. Mike and Teresa Lowe are people I really admire. I'm so honored to have dinner with them. Man, I've had mashed potatoes and mac and cheese and country ham and fried chicken and green beans and I don't know what all, but I'll tell you what, I love them and I love this place.
Mike's Farm is at 1600 Haw Branch Road in Beulahville. The restaurant hours are seasonal, but it's always open on Thursday, Friday, and Saturdays. Your best bet is to check out their website at mikesfarm.com or on Facebook. It's also a little hard to find with a GPS, so call ahead if you need directions at 910-324-3422.